Well, we're tracking this major nor'easter, a very intense storm system actually developing very rapidly over the last 12 to 24 hours will bring us heavy snow and wind. And unfortunately, on the backside of this, we're going to be dealing with some very cold air. In fact, some of the coldest air of the season. So power outages a big concern, especially with this cold air to follow. So winter storm warnings in place from eastern North Carolina all the way to Maine. And some of these areas actually under blizzard warnings, which go through yet tonight and early tomorrow morning. Some areas, the hardest hit areas, could have maybe a foot or more, especially from Massachusetts into Maine. But looking at some pretty significant quantities of snow, even out near New York City and Long Island. Here's a look at Atlantic City, closing in on maybe 10 inches of snow. Philadelphia about 6 inches. As we head a little farther north, you can see New York City dealing with that wintry precip already this morning. Could wind up with maybe 6 to 8 inches there. Long Island maybe 10 inches. Certainly a little bit more as you head farther north into Connecticut. Here's a view of Boston. Not quite seeing that wintry precip yet, but in total maybe a foot or more. And again, some very strong winds approaching hurricane force along the coast. Again, a major storm system impacting travel on roads and by air. Look at these wind gusts again, upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour for major hubs there. And even tomorrow is looking very windy across these areas. Temperatures though today starting to chill down, no question, but it is going to be even colder as we head into Friday and Saturday.